Hi, I'm Tom Hollingsworth with Tech Field Day, and we're here at the OpenStack Summit in Austin, and we ran into an old friend from Tech Field Day.
Hello, hi Tom. My name is Ajay Gulati. I'm the CEO and co-founder of ZeroStack.
Ajay, it's very nice to see you again. We had a great presentation from you at Virtualization Field Day, but why is ZeroStack here at OpenStack Summit?
Oh, we do a lot of stuff with OpenStack. So ZeroStack is essentially a private cloud solution that is built using some of the core OpenStack technologies. And we take OpenStack as the internal piece, and then we have built a lot of stuff around it to build a complete private cloud solution.
Awesome. That sounds like something that a lot of people would really like to be able to do with OpenStack, because I know there's a lot of technical challenges, and it sounds like you guys kind of really make it easy.
True.
So what's your feeling from talking to folks that have come by here at the booth and about what you're providing with OpenStack? Do you see a lot of traction with people wanting to adopt it in the enterprise? Because I know that one of the things from this show was that enterprise is a huge growing segment for them.
So what I've seen is that I think over last year or two, there has been a lot of focus on just building the cloud with OpenStack. Now, as part of ZeroStack, we build a cloud with OpenStack in about 30 minutes. But what I'm seeing now is people are asking more about how do they move applications onto the platform? How do they come from whatever they are using onto OpenStack? Mm-hmm. And also, how can they make the application deployment on OpenStack itself easier? And I think more discussion is moving to the next level now as compared to before.
Wow, yeah, so that's huge. I know that a lot of times engineers like us tend to get focused on the tech, and we stop thinking about the application and the importance of the business. And it sounds like that's something that's really starting to hit home is the business need for OpenStack or ZeroStack or something like that. Is that true?
True. So a lot of customer deployments that we did, what I realized is that we would build the cloud for them, and then the next thing that they would look for is how do we move the apps onto it. Mm-hmm. So as part of our next release, we have built some new features where we are making it very easy to move applications from either VMware or AWS on ZeroStack platform, and in general provide application portability across different clouds. Mm-hmm. Another feature that we have added is the Z App Store, which is essentially an app store like you have on iPhone or Android, and you can just go there and click on the application, and within few seconds the application would get deployed on the platform. And I think that's going to be really game-changing once people realize how quickly they can go from not just building the cloud, but deploying apps on the cloud itself.
Wow, yeah, that's a huge thing for so many people, is the ability to check that out and just do simple software deployments without all the hassle and mess. I mean, well, the fact that you make it easy enough to click through an app store should say something about your capabilities in that area. So where do you see OpenStack going in the next 3 to 4 years?
So as I see, OpenStack over the last few years has reached a lot more maturity than where it was before, and it's both in terms of the capabilities, overall platform stability, and the use cases. And as you saw in the keynote, 65% of deployments of OpenStack are in production today.
Yeah.
I think over the next few years, I feel that the platform would get even richer in terms of capabilities. It would get even more stable. And now people would look to integrate other technologies around OpenStack, and it's not going to be just about the core functionalities anymore.
Cool. All right. Well, if people want to learn a little bit more about OpenStack and ZeroStack, where can they go to see more with what you're doing?
So they can go to ZeroStack.com, and another thing that we have launched as part of being at OpenStack is a 30-day free trial. So you can go there and you can get a free trial of a ZeroStack based cloud, and you can see it, what all you can do with it, and we can talk based on that.
That's really awesome. And if you want to find out more about what ZeroStack did when they came to see us at Tech Field Day, make sure to head over to our website at techfieldday.com. And if you'd like to learn a little bit more about what Tech Field Day is doing here at OpenStack Summit, be sure to check out our YouTube channel, youtube.com/techfieldday.